Hello everyone, welcome back for another tutorial by Gainesville Cleaning Provisions. My name is Jessica. Let's get started. This tutorial is going to be about scheduling through Launch 27. Through the Launch 27 software platform, you will put in your availability and also you'll be able to see how much you got paid for particular cleans. You're going to receive an email. It's going to say Gainesville Cleaning Provisions LLC, welcome aboard. You can go ahead and click that. You'll see our logo here. Gainesville Cleaning Provisions LLC, welcome aboard. And this is the information that you're going to click on so that you can make your account on the scheduling app. So we're going to go ahead and select here. We'll type in a password. And then this is what you'll see. 0 bookings, nothing's here, and that's because we haven't put anything in our schedule yet. So up top we see bookings, your availability, payments, feedback. So here it says Jessica testing, and that's because we're testing. Your name would show up here. Let's click on your availability. So what days of the week are you available? You may select all, you may select a couple. Let's pick Wednesday and Friday. And what times are you available? Let us know. If you can work up until 7 p.m., let us know that. If you don't want to work until 11 a.m., let us know that. And again, you can change all this information later. And so as you can see, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is selected between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. And so if right now it says no bookings assigned, and if a client now wants to book with you, they'll be able to see that. Once you finish putting in your schedule online, it automatically updates so the client can see availability. So when they come in, when would you like us to come? They can now see those 3 days out the week that you selected, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But also, they can select their time frame based on when you said you were available as well. So it gives live updates to schedule changes. So as you go into the system and update, it updates for the client as well. Another great feature of our website is you can log right in to your scheduling app right from our website. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom and you click on login, it will send you right to our page where you can then enter in your email and your password so you can log in and make any changes to your schedule.